If you're watching this tutorial, it means that you want to up your game on your social media, especially when it comes to the link in bio. Right now, you can only put one link in all of your bios on social, but with this strategy, you can have as many links to all of your social channels, to your reviews, to current listings, open houses, events, etc. So let's get started. As you can see, I've created two different templates for you. One of them includes a place where you can add your profile photo, and the other is without profile photo. The text, everything that I'm going to do applies to both. Let's get started with this tutorial. Step one, let's add your first name and last name. So I recommend simply highlighting and typing in your name. If your name is too long, like it goes further past where mine goes, and you want to make it smaller, you can do two things. You can either highlight and change the font size by reducing it, or you can change the distance between the spacing between the letters. And the way you do that is to highlight the text that you want to increase or decrease the space between the letters, and choose this right here where it says letter spacing. And as you can see, you can move it closer or further away. Next, I'm going to have you add your title. So realtor, real estate agent, real estate consultant, whatever it is that you choose, and then your company. I'm going to choose my company for right now, which is My Home. Let's add your photo. Simply hover over this photo frame and click on it once, so that is highlighted, and upload your photo to Canva. If you already have in your uploads like I do, just click on your uploads in the left-hand navigation, click on the photo that you want to move over into the canvas, and let's drag and drop it into that photo frame. So I'm going to click and drag until I see that it's dropped. You can see it's transparent now. It's in that photo frame. When I let go, it's in there. So mine is a lifestyle shot. If you want to turn it into just a headshot, it's really simple. Double click on the photo, grab one of the corners and enlarge it, drag it and center it, and now you have a profile photo. Next step, we're going to add clickable links here. I've already added 4 of mine, so you can get to my digital business card, read reviews, go to my website, and book a consultation with me. But for this one, I want to take you to a website that I've built that has 6 of the top trending topics that I generally consult on that would probably be an inspiration to the next person that wants to meet with me. So all I'm going to do is click inside the text box, and I'm going to name it what I offer. Now, in order to turn this into a link that is going to be connected to where I want them to go, I'm going to highlight the words, go to the upper right-hand corner, click where there is a link, and I'm going to paste a link from this website right here. So I'm going to grab this is called an iFolio. I'm going to grab that URL, bring it back, paste it right there. And when I hit enter, that will activate it. So now that is a clickable link. So do that for all of the places that you want to have people land. And by the way, if you make changes, you sell a listing, you need to put up another listing up, or your open house is over and you want to update it and change it, anytime you make changes here and you hit publish, the next time somebody clicks on your link, it will be the newest version of this micro website. All right, let me show you one more thing before we add a background image. And that is there, I have added these clickable icons down below for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Maps, which is where your Google business lives. If you want to add other icons, you're welcome to simply by going into Elements, search for what it is that you are looking for, and grab that icon. But all the ones that I have for you today are free. So if you're using a free version of Canva, they should all work for you. Next step, you're just going to click and highlight the one that you want to add a link to, then go to that. So I'm on my LinkedIn account right now. As you can see, I've clicked on me, so I'm on my profile, and at the top there is the URL that will connect to my LinkedIn account. So I'm going to copy that and bring that back over and click on this link, paste that new link for my LinkedIn account, hit enter, and now this icon is a clickable link as well. Last thing we're going to do is, if you want this nice and simple and plain with this color and this white background, you're welcome to it. But if you wanted to expand to a beautiful image that would be representative of a listing that you've had or a listing that you have, let's do that. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to click right here where this white background is. And on the left-hand side, you can go into your uploads and grab a photo that you've already uploaded. So I'm just going to go in and grab a picture of a beautiful modern living room. So I'm going to click on that picture once. That's all you do to get it from over on the left-hand navigation into your canvas. And we're just going to grab these paddles and we're going to expand this picture so it goes from edge to edge. Once you've done that, click outside of it and you'll notice that it's now dropped into the background and you can make any changes you want at that point. I would like to change the font to white now that I have this beautiful background. So I'm going to go to, I clicked on my text. I'm going to click on text color and just flip it to white. And I have to say, I think that looks really, really good. If you want to make any other adjustments, you do that before you save. But we are ready to publish. So here we go. We're going to click up on the upper right-hand corner, select Publish Website. And I'm going to recommend there are 4 different ways to publish. If you want this to look really good on both mobile and desktop, choose Scrolling, and you'll see in a moment, and then click Open Website. As you can see, by choosing Scrolling, it's taken that photo and it's expanded on a desktop so that entire gorgeous picture is still there and your clickable links are ready to go. Let's test a couple. So let's click on what I offer. As you can see, it takes you directly to my website where I have my information. I have a digital business card. So if you want to grab that, you're welcome to when you do this check into my website. You can go to your reviews. I have mine on Google. So if you have yours on Google as well, click on reviews. You can see that it'll open up your Google business page or Zillow or wherever you have your reviews. And then last, let's test my little icon. So we're going to test my LinkedIn icon. And as you can see, that works as well. When you're ready, all you need to do is grab this URL right here and add that to any of the links in bio that you want to expand the opportunities of where people can find, connect, read reviews, give reviews, and decide to hire you. I hope this is exactly what you're looking for. That's all for today. Looking forward to what's coming up next for you in my upcoming Client Advantage content.